Got it now.
If you keep holding it by the battery, you're going to rip it out again like you did before. I bet this looks like it's all blown up. Oh, it's not blown up anymore.
Try to keep that off.
So now, I made out where it's more radiused in that direction. There's no radius here because it's gone. It should have metal over there, but it's not. So I can't put the metal back, so we have to live with it. That's why you don't want to cut it like that. If you cut it like that, it doesn't flow with a squat. Then we make this sharp turn right here and come out, which air is never going to do. It's going to go straight. Alright, so that's how you do that one.
Sharp turns.
So you don't pick it up by the battery, it works a lot better. You could just hold it in your hand.
Nope. I was told.
Yeah, you can get told again because you keep taking in and out, in and out, in and out. It doesn't work very well.
They said, Joe's worse than a tripod.
That's right. There's at times the tripods don't work. Like when you're porting. Then you go like this, clean the port up. We don't know what the problem is until we do it. See where I did it?
Right here.
I don't know, you just put the camera where you can see it.
This part.
You have to look in the camera.
I see it.
See what I did with grinding?
Yep. That's opening up.
Well, I don't know what's there until I grind it. If there's something in the way, I'd find it and I cut it away. Right now I just feel casting, there's nothing in there. See over here. If you don't hear nothing, it's good. We port by braille around here.
As it should be.
If it's in the way, get rid of it. If it's not in the way, don't cut it. So I cut the other side, there's none there. See?
Nothing to get.
So now we're just going to do the radius. So that's the second side of the radius you couldn't get to from that other side because you can't go around the corner with the cutter.
Right.
So it feels smooth all the way around the corner.
And part was no metals up on top.
Run your finger through it. Feel smooth to you?
Yep.
Around the radius.
No big.
That's how the exhaust flows. Not the exhaust flow doesn't go in a circle; it comes out. So
Not going to hit a wall.
So this
then,
matters. This doesn't matter as much.
All right.
Okay. Oh, this side hasn't been cut yet. Oh, imagine that. So you see, cut, uncut.
Yep. This part didn't have any metal in it, didn't it? There's no metal there, you said, in the casting?
Pretty smooth. This one's not too bad. Just knocking off the high spots if there's anything. If you do anything here, you're just going to make it worse. You're going to cut it out, you cut it in the gasket, which cuts the flow. All you want to do is just kind of smooth things up a little bit.
No, we don't need no exact tweaks.
Just in the casting stuff. Try to make the port more straight. There used to be a hump up over here on one of these sides.
Got rid of it.
That's right here.
Still there?
On this side of the port. See the hump? Big hump right there?
Yeah.
Why's that hump there?
Right here.
Why's that there?
Casting problems. Oh, the bolt. The head bolt, huh? So you can't go too much on that? Well, that's
What up?
not done, but
Yeah, it's mostly out of there. So the airflow's coming through here, so you got to remember it's a big low spot there. The air's coming through here and it's not hitting it very hard.
Mm-hmm.
And it makes a hard turn right here without any radius, which is really bad.
Casting problems, right?
Port design problem. You want to improve it by making a hole.
Yeah, no. It'd be nice if that if the exhaust port was right about where that valve guide is on.
This exhaust came out
straight
right
out,
here like it's
straight
supposed
out
to.
of there, yeah.
Straight out like this angle, not turn like that.
Yeah.
Be a lot better port. That's not how Harley did it. There's clearance issues.
Clearance issues, yeah.
I can't get in here to cut that out. So. You don't even see the hump in there.
Go on.
See the hump's right here.
Yep.
You don't really see it.
A little bit in there still, but not much, huh? I mean,
Like I said, it's not a hump, it's a low spot.
Yep.
Got low spots on both sides of the hump. But that's the port. You come
can't go
out
too
here.
close to it, though.
Well, the air's going this way and you're coming over to here, but there's a low spot here. Like that low spot's not helping you. Now, if you go and grind that down here to match that, then it just makes the whole thing all screwed up. You want to make a nice radius through here, which you can't do because there's a low spot here.
Right.
You can't go in your weld, so you're stuck with it. So all you do is clean up, make the radius as good and nice as you can, and the air's just going to have to skip over that area. There'll be a little bit of eddies right there, but not too bad.
You can live with it.
It is what it is.
Yep.
You can't fix stuff that's screwed up. I can only fix stuff that's fixable. Exhaust port sucks on the Harley, what can I say? I didn't design it. I got a vice problem.
No swivel,
We
huh?
throw chips that way, we throw chips that way, we got no room to work. So I'm going to go over here where there's room to work. Now we got to clean this up through here. Without cutting the valve seat.
Can I get on the other side of you?
Nope.
No?
Nothing to get on the other side. There's a workbench on the other
Nothing to
side.
get over there, huh?
Nope, you're not going to get on anything.
Alright.
So we're doing some delicate work, so he's a delicate cutter. Delicate works there.
Nice. Knocked a little hump off the middle of it, huh? A little bit.
Hump is still there.
Knocked it down a little bit.
Yeah.
You happy with it now?
As good as it can get. It'd be better if it looked like a twin cam was way over here and this was filled in on that side, but we need to go in and weld the whole thing up, redo it?
Nope.
Why not?
Just trying to win the 80 cubic inch class.
You don't
Stock
want to do all that
class.
extra work?
A lot of welding to be done.
That's right. That's why I don't do that. The STD heads are made that way.
Oh, really?
They make
Those RevTech ones you have too?
Techs are made that way too.
Yeah.
That's how my copy. Okay, one done, except for that spot right there that's poking me.
Knock that down a little bit.
What's up with that?
Tearing up Keenan's shirts.
Oh, my hand. Took it off. Okay, there's one down.
One down, one to go.
You gonna do the other one?
No,
Why not?
I would, but I would guarantee it wouldn't come out right.
I'd show you how to do it. Shouldn't be
You
a
just
problem.
showed me how to do it.
That's right. Shouldn't be a problem at all.
But
So what?
it's a fine touch holding onto that thing.
This kind of heavy.
The tool.
Oh, it's held down to the line right here.
Yeah, I know it, but you gotta
Can't
learn how
drop
to
it. It's hard to drop, see?
put too much pressure on them and trying to hold right into that bolt where the bolt goes.
These are pretty dull. They don't cut that well.
Don't try to tell me I can not fuck it up.
See how shiny those teeth are?
Mm-hmm.
That means they're dull.
You did a fine job on the first one. You
That's
do
why
a
you're
fine job on
not
the second
seeing
one.
massive amounts of chips flying everywhere. Worn out cutters keeps you from making big mistakes quickly. Alright, to the back. Stand on my airline down there.
Sorry about that.
No, you're not. Move it up a little bit, see? That's coarse. It's fine. You wouldn't do it though.
I could probably do that part. No, I mean just that edge.
You were afraid to, you cut the whole thing down this deep. Look at that crappie intake for it. Look at that damn thing.
Rough. Small.
See, you go in there, that's what happens.
Hmm? It's on the guide?
The camera looked over here, not what that is. See what happens?
You get jammed. Oh, hitting the seat?
See how this digs into here?
Yeah. Don't want that either, right?
I cut the seat, now we want to. So you don't use that one.
Smaller one.
Use this one.
Skinny. Radius one.
See what happens now?
Yep.
That's
That's better,
a
more
small cut.
clearance.
You
Yep.
set the lights off.
Fuck again.
If you're watching through the film, you would have saw it was not there.
I
See what
don't
I
notice
just
that
did?
Yep.
See, I cut that off right there.
Without hitting the seat.
Get this one there. See, you only go so much.
That's a rough cut or that's a fine one? It's a fine one, okay.
So use the steel as a guide.
Right.
Then you go and start blending. You're going to blend this over here, but we can't blend. This is already raised, so it doesn't need to be blended there. This is blend right there.
Yeah.
Very like that. Blending. A lot of blending there, huh?
There it was.
This side, the same thing. This side has even less work to do, see?
Yeah. Clean up the rough spots a little bit on. No high spot.
Almost have to be done here, but nothing up here. hard to do it at this angle because I'm cutting on the ball. I can cut a lot better at this angle over here, but I'm not over there right now.
You get wherever you want. Phone's ringing.
Yes, it was.
I can give a little detail about the porting so far. Blending.
Blending. No.
See how he's doing there, folks?
Good. Go run it some more.
Not too much to do on this one.
Good.
A bit right there. A little bit of a hill right there still.
Okay. Yeah. Like I said, when it starts doing that, just shut the petcock off and start up on it and then put it back on. It's usually a good job. So. No. It just stuck. Something got underneath the nail seat and stuck for a second. It blew through. It sucked through. Don't worry about it. Okay, go ride it. Bye. All right.
That van?
No, that was the gal with the chopper bike.
Oh, still having problems with that?
He was flooding over, so she let it sit for a week. Now she's riding. It's perfect, so she's happy. Good.
Good.
Go ride it. Obviously, I got a piece of trash came out of the gas tank with new gas going in.
Yep.
No biggie. So now she's not afraid of it now. Go ride it.
Good.
All right, so now we got all this stuff here you can't really cut much.
Yep.
And over here is already not much here because it's already what it is. We're going to do a light blend and that's it. You're a camera down there.
That blew that one again.
Yep, it was. Did I get to see it that time?
No. Well, I can see it anyway. Maybe up on the high part.
It's chunked up there. See, I'm doing things out of
I'll see
order.
it that time.
I'm doing things out of order, see.
Why?
There's a big nick right there in the seat. Might have to
Is
go,
that bad enough to regrind?
might have to go touch it up a little bit.
Well, it's all warmed up.
So there you go. So I gotta do the rest of this here. All right, I'll be back.